Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to enter presentation mode in Power BI Desktop. Now, technically, Power BI Desktop doesn't have a built-in presentation mode like PowerPoint does, but that doesn't mean we can't create a clean, distraction-free view that feels just like one, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. When you're presenting a report, the goal is to make your visuals stand out and remove anything that might distract your audience. Things like extra panels, toolbars, or unnecessary tabs can take attention away from your data. So instead of working in editing mode, we're going to adjust the interface to make it look more polished and focused. This is especially useful when you're presenting to classmates, clients, or during meetings. A cleaner screen helps your audience focus only on the charts, cards, and visuals that actually matter. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly prepare your Power BI report so it looks professional and presentation ready, without needing any special feature. So, let's get started. The first step is maximizing it. After doing that, go to the View tab and close all unnecessary panes to give a clarity to the presentation we are doing. And then go to the right side of the screen and minimize the visualization and data navigation icons. After that, go to the Page View panel and open it, then click Fit to Page. And then minimize the ribbon group by clicking the arrow that is pointing downward. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.